Welcome learners to Puri Padhai. In this tutorial of the HTML video series, we will learn about HTML symbols. Many mathematical, technical and currency symbols are not present on a normal keyboard. So yes, many currency symbols and mathematical symbols like alpha, beta, gamma and others are not present on the normal keyboard. So let's see what could be the solution of this. And if no entity name exists, you can use an entity number, decimal or hexadecimal reference. Example, this. So the very first, I will display euro, that is entity name, and 83#64 its entity number, and x20ac is hexa, you can see also as hexadecimal. So we will try to use this thing practically in the Notepad++. So here this is the symbol of, we can use, there it was written euro, so we will also use over here euro, EURO. So and now we will save this, Ctrl+S, or we can also save it by going into this option, and we can save it over in the particular folder over here by the name test43 with the extension .html. And now we can go back to that destination and we will open that file test43.html in the web browser. Now it's loading, and here you can see, learners, that euro symbol is being represented over here successfully. Let me zoom out a bit. Now here you can see the euro symbol has been successfully represented over here. I have zoomed out this window. There is no coding which I have done. So this is how we can represent it. Same way we can use the number #8364, #8364. Now again we will do Ctrl+S, go back to the Chrome and we'll reload it. And after refreshment also there is no such change. Why? Because in entity name, the way we represent the euro in entity number is this only, 8364. So we will move further in HTML symbol, HTML mathematical symbol. Now these are the number of mathematical symbols which we can donate or represent it in the web browser or our desired website. For all, partial differentiation, differential, there exists, empty sets, nabla, element of, and so many are there. So we can test over here nabla. How will nabla come out? So we have to type nabla over there in the Notepad++. So we'll type over here NABLA and Ctrl+S. We'll go back to the Chrome, we'll reload it, and here you can see the nabla symbol is over here. You can also give the nabla number, entity number 8711, or same way you can do for others. So now let's proceed further. HTML Greek letter symbols. Now these are the number of Greek letter symbols which we can represent over here. So we can use, for example, zeta. We can use this zeta, or you can use alpha. So we'll use alpha over here. We'll go back to the Notepad++, and we can overwrite here alpha. I think I have spelled it right. Yes, ALFA. So we can Ctrl+S and then we can go to Chrome, reload it, and here we can see the successfully symbol of alpha is also over here. So this is how, just by using the entity name or the entity number, we can, by entity name you can remember very nicely, but by entity number it will be difficult. So you have to refer it again and again, and then you can represent all these symbols. And HTML other symbols, there are number of symbols like copyright symbol and registered sign symbol. For example, if you see in a website, if you visit the Puri Padhai website, down here you can, over here you can see something like down, yeah, you might see copyright symbol. Or if you visit some other website, for example over here, I think in these websites the copyright symbol is not there, but I think I know some website where copyright symbols are there. For example, there is one website godivine.com. In this, I think the copyright symbol must be present, so that I can make you understand the practically that yes, in the market people use, the programmer use copyright symbols. Yeah, here it is there, copyright symbol. So how to represent this copyright symbol? It is told over there. You can use copy or 169 entity number. So we will use this number. Here we can write copy, COPY, and control plus S. Go back to Chrome and reload this page, and here you can see we have successfully given the copyright symbol also. So this is how it was all about the HTML symbols and how can we use all these symbols. You can use one by one every symbol of, even though cards symbol is also there, of spades, clubs, hearts and diamond. So many symbols we can represent by just writing the entity number or entity name. So thank you learners. Now we will meet in the next tutorial of this HTML video series. Till then, happy coding.
Your feedback is valuable for all. So please comment, like and share with your friends. Thank you.